Y'all bring him back. He started wandering off in the air. Quit wandering, bro. He be wandering and stuff. So as you see, we in the air. We in the air. We in the air. We in the air. You know we in the air. Go to my profile page. Go to my TikTok shop and get you a red lightning or a blue thunder. Yeah. Man, y'all, this is what I do, man. Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas. This is not man. I just want to tell y'all newcomers that's visiting me today that don't know me, this is not new.